This is JT Brackenridge Elementary, and I'm Marco Morales, the principal here.
I'm Robert Heising, project superintendent for Morganti Casias Joint Venture.
I'm Paul Lindsay, senior project manager with Morganti Casias Joint Ventures.
This is our construction site Q&A.
We are in phase 2 of construction, which involves the administration area. All new offices and all new lobby and vestibule. It also involves the main entrance to the building, which is going to have a new canopy. This will be the entrance where all the kids and parents come in.
Some changes that families should know about are definitely going to be our new front entrance to improve and enhance our security here at JT Brackenridge Elementary. We'll have a new secured vestibule that parents will come in to check in and have an opportunity to wait while we're meeting their needs. Some of the features of the bond that are going to enhance learning opportunities include new smart boards in every classroom, updated lighting and technology outlets, and just an enhanced space overall for great learning. So some of the aspects of the project that we're most excited about definitely include the updated classrooms and learning environments for our kids, getting brand new furniture, brand new technology, interactive smart boards in every classroom, and just a place where teachers can perform at their best and students can learn at their best.
So why are bonds important? Bonds are important because they allow the community to be able to fund new projects like this that enhance, give the school districts a chance to enhance their schools, bring them up to date, so that the students are given a high quality education in a environment that is suitable to do that for each of the kids.
It's a complete different feel. Standing where I am now, I feel like I'm not even in the same building anymore.
Thank you for joining us for this bond Q&A. Continue to follow SAISD and JT Brack on Twitter and Facebook so that you can continue to follow along with our bond updates.